Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing good. I know it's been quite a long time since I've uploaded anything. As the last video was uploaded 3 weeks ago. Sorry for the delay. I have also been uploading some content in Hindi language. If you're interested to watch it, you can please go to the channel, say Money Affair Hindi, and watch it over here. Okay, so let's get the today's video started. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the US stocks which I have traded for the past week. You can see that this is the date since 2nd February. I have traded the US stocks till the 9th February. So it's been around a week and would like to share the update with you that how it went and what were the trades that went wrong, that went good, and the logics behind the same as well. So without further delay, let's get this started. As you can see that just to give you a brief, I have also stated the headings over here. This is the trade close time, close date, and similarly the trade open time and the open date over here. This is the share name which I traded. These are all the US stocks. You can see these are Alcoa Incorporation, Best Buy, CF Industries, Citizen Financial, Crown Castle. Though Citizen Financial was never good, I see that. I would talk about that later. So talking about the trading, this is from 2nd Feb to 9th Feb. If we talk about the capital involved, this was $94 of capital involved. That is, you can say around of $100 in the beginning of Feb. So what I am actually trying to do currently is trading with a small capital and generating a huge amount or exactly a huge percentage of profit. So that's what the intent is by trading the US stocks or the European stocks as well. The net profit, as you can see that this is the P&L column showing the net profit or loss. And this 1 week I have made a profit of around $46.80 on a capital of 94, which is around 50%. You can see that this is a very handsome percentage. You can say very good percentage. If we calculate, that's almost around 50% profit. But yeah, the trades are risky as well. If I lose on a trade, I do generally lose around $10 on a particular trade. So if we calculate it, the stop loss is a 10% of the capital on every per trade that I take. So please keep that in mind as well. Let's get into the details. Firstly, I would like to tell you the stocks which went wrong. Like let's start with the CF Industries, in which I took the full stop loss of around $10. This is the CF Industries chart on a 5-minute time frame. Let me just tell you that this is the TradingView platform, and you can just sign up for free if you want to use it as a charting platform for trading stocks. This is a 5-minute chart, as you can see it over here. I would like to tell you that what made me buy the CF Industries and why the stop loss was hit. In this Excel sheet, you can see that I bought it on the open date 8th February at 8:54 p.m. at around 84.5, and these are the quantities exactly. Just for your easy referencing, I am renaming it. This is the quantity which I took. So yeah, I took 10 quantities at 8:54 p.m. Around 84.50 price. Let's see what was the level. If I tell you that what was the logic, I saw that yeah, that stock was already falling, but what happened on that 8th Feb? Let me just tell you that the stock gave a little bit of a run up on the previous day, and I tried the stock to buy it over here. The logic behind buying it over here was very simple. I was thinking that this is the start of a new trend, and yes, stock will reach the new heights as well. But the stock didn't work out and it fall down. Exactly, you can say around 1 hour later. It made me totally wait till 9:55 p.m. You can see it as the close time stated is 9:55 p.m. So the simple logic behind putting the stop loss, if the stock went, as the stock went below this line, therefore I closed the trade. The logic was just simple, just to have an initiation of a new trend. And let me just tell you, I was actually right in this one. You can see that now what is happening with the stock. I was trying it around, you can see the price at which I tried to buy 84.5, and it is currently trading at 86.10 and went up to 87.19 as well as highs. So yeah, bad timing, you can say that, bad management of the trade, but the idea was good, just to capture the young trend. That was it. Talking about another trade which I took a stop loss. Let me just show you all the losses. You can see that the biggest loss is minus 10.2, and then minus 2.7, and then just a little bit. These are charges 0.6, 0.17. So please ignore that. Let's talk about this $2.7 loss, which is in Best Buy. I have also made some profits in Best Buy as well of around $11.40. Let's talk about both. The ticker symbol is BBY for this stock price. And yes, I have traded this stock through a pattern stuff. You can see that the same logic as well. The stock was already in a downtrend, but yeah, since the past 1 or 2 day, I was thinking that yes, this is the initiation of a new trend and stock might go a lot upside. That's why I saw that yeah, this is just exactly, you can say, a textbook flag kind of a pattern. If we say that yes, this is the pole, and yes, this is the flag, or you can say just a channel type of stuff. So what I tried was, I waited to see that whether there was actually support over here. You can see my cursor. I waited to validate the support around this area, and I bought it right at this 8th Feb, around 10:40 or 10:38. You can see exact timing is yeah 10:38 p.m. I bought it around over here. The idea was that I was waiting for a breakout from this channel, and yes, to meet the stock at the same high price which it was earlier right over here. But yeah, I wait. This stock tested my patience. You can see that the stock went upside till 87 and then again fall down back to my price level, then again tried to went up, then again fall down. So all full day it was doing almost nothing, just a crap trading session. But I was still confident of the trade. And let me just zoom in so you can see the details. This is 9th Feb, 2:25 a.m. That's basically the end of the US session. So the next day you can say that at 8 p.m. the US session opens, and you see there was quite a gap up. The stock closed at around 86.4 and gap up. You can see, and even within the first 5 minutes there was a strong up move and I sold right around at the top. Yeah, you can say that this is one hell of a trade. I'm totally feeling confident about it. And yes, these kind of patterns do work all the time. I have seen that. But we should be mindful of when the breakout coming. Okay, this was about the profit. Now let's talk about the stop loss which I took in this Best Buy of $2.70. And on the very next day, I again thought that yeah, this will work, because like if I even remove this line, very simple thing. Let me just remove these things for a clear view. Now you can see that on the very next day, 9th Feb, around 8:40 p.m., I again tried to bought this stock. But the ideology behind this was the resting at that, you can say, that upper line of this channel, and generally it happens like it takes support from this area. The another factor which I thought was, as it was a gap up day, I was thinking that it will not fall below the previous support, which was around this area, which I have also marked a line for it. But yeah, the stock wasn't quite working, and yes, you can see that it tried to go a little up, but failed. So I just closed it immediately. I wasn't quite confident of the trade, so took a small loss of around $2.70, but nonetheless, it was a stop loss. That was about it. Okay, so one more stock I traded, which was Alcoa Incorporation, in which I made a profit of $17 around. Let's see that as well. This stock is around trading 50 $49 nowadays. You can see that I bought this stock on 3rd Feb at 1:48 a.m. You can say at the end of the US session. I just bought and went to sleep and did nothing. You can see just a second. Let I'll also mark that. Yeah, this was a beautiful triangle pattern, and some people used to say it as a contraction pattern. You can also say it as well. In general, simple textbook stuff, this is a triangle hitting resistance, and yeah, this horizontal line acts as a support. So I bought right around at the horizontal line. You can see I bought it over here at this horizontal line, which is 4th Feb around 1:45 a.m. That is around the nearby the end of the US session. And then I went to sleep and didn't see it. And I was quite confident, yeah, it will give a breakout from this triangle. And you can see on the next day, it gave a good gap up. That is, yep, on a good gap up on 6th Feb. Yeah. So that was a weekend. Saturdays and Sundays, I waited for 2 days. Just a second, let me also confirm I'm not correctly remembering it. Yeah, I bought it on 3rd Feb and closed it on 6th Feb. So that was a weekend through which I waited. Just suggest you to please don't take these kind of trades, as these are quite risky, because waiting for weekend there might be a lot of news that happens. So that's why it's a little bit risky to hold the stocks over the weekend for either long or short positions. So, and what happened on Monday, it stock gave a good gap up and I sold it right at the top. So that was about Alcoa Incorporation, and there are few little bit profits here and there as well. And if we do the total, you can see that the total over here in this sheet is 46.80. Yep. So that's what I made in past, exactly you can say 7 days or 5 working days of trading. Hope you liked the video and the logics behind the trade as well. If you didn't understood anything, please let me know. And if you are liking the content, please do subscribe to the channel and do like, share, or comment. Let us know how you are how you are looking forward to the channel. And if you want to learn about anything else, any kind of trades, like how to draw these channels, where to buy, where to sell, do let me know in the comments as well. I will surely prepare some educational content going forward. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.